let's talk about what the market is doing, because I've got like 5 minutes before I get to Chick-fil-A, so this will be a little bit of time for me to process my emotions, just because emotions are such a strong part of trading, and holy crap am I annoyed. So yesterday I bought the dip on stuff that kept on dipping. That's sort of been the story of this week. My trading has been garbage lately. I've had like 2 winning trades over the last 2 weeks or something like that. Don talks about getting out of sync with the markets, and that's basically what I feel like right now. It's just, I don't know what my issue is, but a lot of stuff just did not work out. And I think today, the thing that like is triggering me more than anything is that I'm long on Microsoft and Nvidia. Both of those are down. They're both down more than 1 standard deviation. So I'm looking to sell verticals, sell put spreads on Amazon. That's not going to be such a big issue. Because that one's down. I can't afford to sell on Microsoft or Nvidia. I like Amazon for the put spread, so I'm going to sell that. And then I'm just in recovery mode on shares. The problem being, I'm on my way to a meeting that I'm going to be in all day. So I'm basically going to like get one chance to bump up my stops and then just hope that today's ridiculously green. And if not, I'm tagging out for losses. And tagging out for bigger losses than what I wanted, but that's what I get for jumping in right after news. So there's a lesson to be learned there. I don't need to be playing super trader. I'm not good at short-term stuff. So, you know, after a big news day, let's let the dust settle and just let things calm down. I think the thing that is annoying me more than anything, like the thing that really triggered my emotions, is I got back in short yesterday on SPLK, and that was looking like okay, everything's selling off. SPLK was selling off. We're doing great. And then I got the alert that SPLK was pushing up. And I'm like, well, what's going on? And I looked and I was like, is this fake? Is this a real price print? Or is like this completely fake? We gapped up, like all the way up. So SPLK, news just came out that they are being bought by Cisco at $157 a share. So it went up in a hurry. I was risking $50 on that trade. I'm probably going to be losing $200 on that trade. So as of right now, my Weeble 5K challenge that I've been working on for like the last 2 weeks is down like $700. And the dollar amount doesn't bother me. I'm still up more than that on the whole year on my primary trading. But my primary trading is very slow, requires that you dump capital in and just be patient, and you'll make like 20 to 30% a year, which, you know, great. Okay, not a problem. But I want to get better at this directional trading stuff, and it just so happens that the last 2 weeks when I'm trying to be directional and trying to, you know, really trying to swing trade and take plays with shares and, you know, see steady growth in an account, I'm down more than I would expect. So like literally every position that I have right now with shares is in recovery mode this morning, and it's probably going to be a bigger loss than what I had anticipated. And that to me is, I'm just like, all right, this is one of those times like I need to sort of press the go flat button and wait it out. I accidentally burned through all my day trades. Like, I've just been off this week. So I'm going to be in recovery mode. I'm going to have my stops set further back. If I take losses on all of these, it sucks to suck. I'm probably going to take next week off, just because I want to get, not to say I need day trades, because I'm not a day trader, but not having the ability to stop out of a trade the same day I get into it is like a big no-no for me. So I'm out of day trades. I'm just going to wait until they're back, and that'll give me time to mentally reset and then, you know, really take a step back and say, okay, let's get back in my lane. Let's start making smarter trade decisions. Probably start lowering allocation rather than having all of my money doing nothing but going down. Let's slow that process down So I'm really going to be working through the mental and emotional side of, all right, so just took a couple of big losses relative to my account size. How are we going to work through this? That's sort of where I'm at right now. So I promised transparency. You guys are seeing everything. You're seeing the mental stress that I'm going through, because I'm like, yeah, I can make trading work, and just got destroyed. So I'm gonna take a step back and not walk away from the markets. I'm still gonna be watching. I'm still gonna be attending the live streams when I'm able, and at least taking my notes like I've been doing. Still running my long-term option stuff. That's slow, steady income. But for right now, the small, shorter term price action is just not working out well for me right now. So yeah. Hope that wasn't too much of a ramble, but like I said, I'm trying to be transparent on everything. So if I'm feeling emotionally on tilt, I want to share that with you guys as well. And I'm definitely a little bit off. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.